Welcome back to Uncle Dan's Backyard Barbecue. If you like this channel, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to be doing some pulled pork sandwiches. We got our mustard we're going to use as our binder, and we're going to try some of this Down East Dynadust. So we're going to try that on here today. So let me go ahead and we'll get this mustard going. And kind of like how we did our pork ribs, I'm going to go ahead and put this mustard all over. Right, we're going to rub it in. And then we're going to try this sauce. So we're going to slow smoke this out on the Twin Eagles. Let me go ahead and remove this cap. Just tab off of here. We're just going to coat this up. Get this nice and patted in. And we're going to do the same on the other side. I like to do my pulled pork sandwiches with a pork butt, but they didn't have bone in today, so HEB, we need more bone in. So they delivered me a boneless roast. So let's get this pork nice. And I usually, if you watch previous times, I've usually let this sit overnight in the refrigerator. But today we're going to go straight to getting this covered, let this sit for a few, and then we're going to get the grill fired up. I want to get the sides really well here, and what I'm going to do is I put it on this aluminum foil. This is a nice little easy trick. So what I like to do is put it on aluminum foil and then kind of use the aluminum foil to get the sides all seasoned. So the extra falls off. Now we'll to the sides, and that's kind of how I like to do it with this aluminum foil. And we'll let this sit for a few while it's coming up to temp, while we go get the grill ready. And then we'll throw it on. And so today we're going to be putting this on Traeger's signature blend of pellets, and that's what we're going to use. So let's go get the grill fired up. Nice, good crusting. Just going to kind of go over it again. All right, so now we got our pork butt. We got the Twin Eagles going 250. So today we're going to be smoking this at 250. We got some apple and cherry wood mixed with a post oak. So we're going to put that in here, get a nice good smoke flavor on this. So we're going to go ahead and put this on here. Set her in the middle. And then we're going to use probe 1. And we're going to let this get to about 185 degrees. Inside temp, about 185. We'll come back. We'll set the Twin Eagles to notify us when we get to 185. And then we'll come back and we'll take a look at it. So let's let it smoke and we'll be right back. All right, here we go. We're at the 8-hour mark. 8 hours and 7 minutes. So our pork is at 175. So let's take a quick look. There she is. All right, it looks like it's pulling away. So we're gonna go ahead and take it off the grill. We're at the 175 mark. So we're gonna take it off. We got our pulled pork claws. And I like to take this off of here. And the fat. All right, we're beeping. Our probe is done. So we're going to shut that off real quick. We're gonna shut it off. Let that, all right, so here we go. So we have our pulled pork. We're gonna take the probe out that says we're at the 175 mark. Whew, that probe is hot. And we have our favorite Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So we're gonna just take this, and as you look, we're just gonna pull apart this pork. Just like so. We just chunk it apart. After it's at the 175 mark, we're gonna pull this pork apart, make it into little nice pieces. Then we'll use the Baby's Ray's. See, look at this, just pulls apart. If you look at that, that pork just pulls apart, right, with these pork claws. So what we'll do is, I'll continue to pull this apart. We'll use some Baby Ray's and we'll put it on some nice buns that we have. And that's it. That's basically how you do pulled pork sandwiches here at Uncle Dan's Backyard Barbecue. Thanks again for joining us.